Hello, young adventurers. Welcome to today's story. Have you ever wondered how big, beautiful things are made? It doesn't happen by magic, and it doesn't happen all at once. It takes two very important ingredients: hard work and consistency. Let's visit a quiet field beneath an ancient oak tree, where a young girl named Ameena and her brother Yusuf are about to learn a lesson they will never forget. Ameena and Yusuf decided to plant something special in the big, empty field. They both had grand ideas, but only one had a plan. Ameena worked every single day. With her small silver trowel, she dug neat rows, turning the dry dirt into a true garden. Yusuf, however, took many naps. He thought consistency would be easy, but decided the daily hard work was just too hard. Weeks passed. While Yusuf waited for his seeds without tending them, Ameena kept showing up. One morning, a tiny green sprout pushed through her plot, the breakthrough she had worked for. Soon, harvest day arrived. Because of her daily care, Ameena's plot grew a magnificent giant golden squash, but Yusuf's empty plot was filled only with wild weeds. Hard work and consistency had won. Returning to the ancient oak tree, which was now beautiful and overgrown with blooming roses, Yusuf looked at his sister's garden. He finally understood that consistency wasn't a punishment. It was the path to making dreams come true. Ameena smiled, happy to share her careful plan, because hard work is always best when shared. Remember, friends, no matter how small your steps are, if you take them every single day, you can grow something truly magnificent. What will you consistently work on today? Thank you for listening, and keep growing.